pancake mamaya after natin magpaputok sa labas, after natin mag-celebrate ng New Year sa labas. Kasi po, kapag yung pancake malamig, hindi na po masarap. And here are my children. Hi guys! My family. Oh, you're not allowed. A little bit there. So, can I borrow for a while? So, here's our fireworks. Woo! Kuya! You show the fireworks, Nathaniel? Wow! Oh my God! Yes, we go out na. Let's go! So, nagbaril ko na. Babaril. Woo! Woo! Grabe, grabe. Kumain, ayun madam. There's a police, guys. Oh my God. There's a police. Halaka. Let's go home. Very normal. Welcome in Berlin. Welcome in Berlin, guys. Uwi na kami kasi ang daming pulis dito. Oh my God. Grabe kabutal ng mga tao. Grabe sila magpa-fireworks kaya pinuntahan tayo ng pulis. Our neighbors. Yeah. Normally, is it allowed to have a gun? Not allowed.
Hast du Schlüssel, ja?
Yeah, I have. Pinuntahan na kami ng pulis kasi sobra-sobra na. Ayan.
Happy New Year!
Yeah. Happy New Year! Pero napaka-close na mga tao dito. Napaka-close namin mga neighbor. Happy New Year! First nice, yeah. No, not here, not here, not here. Woo! Oh my God.
Und, war schön für euch, Jungs.
Nakakatakot kasi.
Pagod oder wollt ihr mehr?
Grabe ka pala kabrutal yung mga
Mehr?
tao dito sa
Wollt ihr mehr?
Berlin.
Aber der hat
You want to go there more?
Ah, das ist okay. Das ist okay.
You want to wear and then go back? Kahit yung mga anak ko takot.
Ja, und dann anstatt
We're crying?
so laut.
It's loud.
Like
Like me? Mama is loud.
Guck, ich habe nicht geweint. Es war dafür hier.
But you know what's the best thing here in our neighborhood? Everybody are very close. Very close, guys. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Napaka-close ng mga neighbor dito. After fireworks, tama. We have pancake with ice cream. Kuya is always my helper. Kasi anong ginagawa ko, siya palagi tinatawag ko kasi siya yung eldest. We have raspberry, red berries, vanilla ice cream, and pancake. Here's for you. It's with no ice cream. What about raspberry? It's our first time New Year here in Berlin that is so brutal. First time nun makakita ng gun, pistol, alam niyo yun. We thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting us for the year 2024. So much for watching. 1, 2, 3, go. Thank you for watching and please watch more and please subscribe, like and share. Bye. Happy New Year! Good morning! Thank you, Kuya, for helping me. Ay, sabi ko, please help me to say Happy New Year. Sabi niya, ha? Bakit help? Ang dali-dali na naman magsabi na Happy New Year. Uy! Ang anak ko. Tinatawag ako sa toilet. Yes! Oh my God! It was a long call. Yeah? What do you need? Okay.
Come in here. Just come in here.
Okay, hi. Yeah?
Just close the door.
Please? Say please, yeah? What you need? You call me. What you need?
Can you put the camera down?
Okay. Down.
No.
Turn off.
Yeah.
Okay. May mga hugasin tayo. Our menu for today, para sa mga kids, ay burger. Kahapon na itong burger, kaya na nag-raclette kami. May luto-luto, nagsugba-sugba kami. Kaya today na lang yung burger. Yeah! Wait, Arya, because... Ay, hindi pala siya na-on. Yeah?
Ich schon Steffi von Pancakes.
Pancake? But we have no more flour.
Hä, wieso hat denn Aria Pancake bekommen?
That's our last night. You like it? I will make burger. It's okay?
Können wir das Hackfleisch mit Reis?
Hackfleisch mit Reis? Ohne Burger?
Wollt ihr Burger oder Hackfleisch mit Reis?
Okay. Oh my God! Everybody's... Ayan, na-change yung plan natin na mag-burger sana. No? Gawa sana tayo ng burger steak sa mga bata. Na-change ng hackfleisch or giniling. Kaya ito yung na-miss ni Nathan. Ito talaga yung na-miss ni Nathan. Yung giniling na may soy sauce. Kapag mag-giniling kasi sila dun sa kanila, like sa papa niya, baka hindi niya lagyan ng soy sauce. Kaya, namimiss niya itong luto na to. Ito yung paborito niya. Alam niyo naman to. Kumain na sila nito last day, 2 days ago. Tapos nag-request ulit na ito yung kakainin nila today. So, our breakfast would be Filipino breakfast. Dahil mag-rice tayo. Nagluto na ako ng rice. And then yung burger, maybe for tomorrow na lang din. Kasi tonight, mag-Mexican tayo. Marami tayong hihiwain. Yung Mexican food naman is puro lang yan sa mga gulay-gulay, taco, tortilla, ganun. So, maghiwa lang tayo, tapos sila na mag-mix. Doon na natin i-mix sa kanila Vanessa. Masarap sana itong giniling lagyan ng patatas. Patatas at saka carrots. Pero may patatas naman tayo dito last night, hindi na ubos. Ayan o. So, ito na lang i-mix ko mamaya.
Yeah. My God.
yan. Okay, here now.
One more job.
Okay, this is my last time. My last chance. Hello, guys! Ayan, nag-iyak siya kasi nag-video daw ako. Nawala daw siya. Now, here's Arya. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Uy!
Happy New Year is already over.
No, today is New Year also. So, Black, may ano, kilikili. Happy New Year, everyone! Happy New Year, everybody! And, meron tayong naiwan ito ng mga karne sa raclette natin kagabi. Kaya sayang naman, lutuin nyo lang din natin para isarin na rin natin sa aking breakfast. Luto na yung aking giniling, guys. Naluto na yung ating giniling. Ayan.
So near.
Okay, okay. Ayan. Ayan na yung, here's our giniling. Luto na. Ito yung naiwan kagabi sa raclette. Kaya gisa natin kay sayang. Fatima?
Hab jetzt alles aufgeräumt. Nee. That's enough, Mama. That's enough.
So small. Look.
Yeah, because I cannot finish it because I'm gonna puke after that.
Uy.
Yeah, because I cannot eat everything, so that means it's wasting food.
Wait. Okay, here for you. Small. So, ayan, kakain na po kami. Kain tayo, guys. This is our first meal in New Year. Ayan, we're preparing now for our taco Mexican day with Mayari, with your Ate Mayari and Ate Zoe.
Should I cut that? Should I cut this?
You can wash, yeah? Wash and then you give it to me.
Okay. And the other thing also. Okay. Okay, wash. Done. Done.
Aya is helping us to prepare. Thank you. Yeah, you can wash that. Wow. Parang naglalaba lang. Parang naglalaba lang si Arya. Thank you, Lovey.
Wash.
Okay, thank you for helping, Mom. You can go there now, yeah?
No. Still no.
Enough na washing that one. Don't put rice, yeah? Don't put soap, okay?
Okay.
Ayan, nakahanda na po yung ating pang Mexican taco burrito. Ayan po, hiniwa-hiwa ko siya ng maliliit. Meron tayong cucumber, mango, avocado, lemon, citron. Anong tawag nito? Uy, nakalimutan ko, guys. Tulungan niyo ako. Anong tawag nito? Cilantro, onion, tapos yung ating giniling, beef, tomato, salad, and yung ating isang salad na niluto ko siya. So, we are ready. Meron pa pong kulang nito. Ang ating sauce, kulang pa ng sauce. And kung gusto na ng mayo, and then yung ating tortilla and taco. So, of course, I cannot do everything. I cannot do anything without my daughter. Arya amazing. So, thank you so much, Arya, for your help. She's helping me all the time. So, i-cover natin. Cover lang tayo dito. Uy, this pass next to. But, she's always eating the... What is this?
Cucumber.
It's okay. We can bring another one cucumber. So, just in case that you eat everything, then we still have more. Okay? No problem. Yeah. You ready, Nathan?
Yeah.
Good job. Everybody's ready? Yeah. And where's the other cover of that?
Hey, ich war schon immer ready. Ich war schon immer ready.
Wow. Thank you, love. Here's to the circle, okay?
But where? Oh, yeah.
So,
What is this? Tomato?
yeah. I help you.
No, it's okay. I can do it.
You're very determined kid.
I'm very busy. Sorry about that.
Sorry about that. Very busy daw siya. Sus, thank you. You prepare also, yeah? Because we go to
Yeah, Mary.
yeah. So very easy right now. Oh, thank you. Should I help you?
No, it's okay.
Well, it's okay. I will help you, okay? Mama help you?
Wait a second.
Yeah, it's okay now. It's okay. Not so...
Dusty, come down.
Wow.
It's a big tower.
Nasa labas na po kami. Grabe, yeah?
Wir haben das hier gefunden, der ist noch voll.
Oh! Good. But be careful, yeah? Ang daming basura dito sa fireworks. Sa labas. Kami go to the other side, guys. Be careful. Okay, come. Look. Grabe. Bawat kalye, maraming basura ng fireworks. Look at... Arya, you close your jacket, please. Close your jacket, please. Oh. Tingnan muna natin kung anong nangyari sa lugar kung saan tayo nagpunta last night. Yan oh, mga basura. What happened? This is the location last night.
Yeah.
Early morning. Yun. What can you say about last night, Arya?
There was a fire last time.
There's a fire. Tingin muna tayo sa area. Yan, dito po kami, dito nga location. Oh my God. Grabe yung basura. Wow. Ayan, oh, tingnan nyo. Grabe pala talaga magpaputok yung mga tao. Ayan yung... Yeah. Ayan yung trash can na nasunog. Grabe. Tingnan nyo. Parang zombie area. Ayan. Ang dami nang tingin-tingin. Oh, laka. Look at that. It's like zombie, right? Apocalyptus. Oh. Ito yung nasunog. It was maybe color green or blue, something.
I think it's
Yan.
green.
Sinunog nila.
Because I saw.
Mga anak ko. Oh.
Mama, look.
It's like apocalyptus, right?
What does this says?
I don't know.
Mama, come.
Come, let's go now, our bus.
What is this?
Nakakita kami ng mga bala. Ito yung kagabi. Yung bala ng pistol. Yung baril ba? Arya, Nathan? Hala, ang dami, oh.
Look, Mama.
The bala. But it's fake pala siya, guys.
Yes, it's fake.
Yeah.
They already used it. Now it's fake.
Yeah. No, it's It was...
They tried to do it. They tried to do it.
Where? Who?
The gun.
Oh, it's very dangerous. Don't do it. Okay, Arya, don't try it.
Yeah.
And only when you grow up. Like
I
when...
let you.
when you're mama. You wanna be a mama?
No.
Why?
I don't have any child.
If you want.
Look, Mama, there's a box over there.
Yeah. There's a lot.
A lot of boom, boom, boom.
Yeah.
Boom.
And a lot
I was
of
crying.
basura.
I was crying.
You were crying. You was crying. A lot of basura. Trash.
Look, Mama, Mama.
Hmm?
It was like this big.
Mm-hmm.
And the fire comes out. And then they put water and it's...
Yeah.
And then
Saw it, right?
It's broke.
Oh.
It's broke.
Who did it?
Mama, more fireworks over there.
Yeah.
Oh
Trash.
my goodness.
Trash. So trash.
It must be in the trash can.
Yeah. You're right. Sobrang tagal ng ating bus. Kasi today is January 1. It's fire tag or holiday. So, maghintay po tayo ng mga nasa 3 minutes. So, here. May batang nagutom, guys. Kinain yung ating baon. Uy! Laka. Oh, number 4 pa. Ay.
Jagdstraße.
Laka. Nagutom. Finish? Come. We go. Dito na kami. Yeah, come. Hey, come. My baby girl. Doon na kami malapit kina Vanessa. Dala-dala ko mga bata. Bit-bit ko pati yung bag. Woo! Yeah. The other side. You can also go here. Dami namin. Dami kong anak. But I'm so happy na nakapagbigay ng service sa kanila. I give my service. Oh! Ito yung na-miss ko sa... Ito yung nami-miss ko na... Ito yung sobrang na-miss ko na paglingkuran yung aking mga anak. Ipagluluto sila, tapos dalhin sila sa kung saan sila magiging masaya. Ah! What happened? Oh, they're so excited. Come. Oh, we are here, guys. She's so excited. Thank you. Thank you. Oh. Come, welcome. Say welcome to you. Welcome, guys. Thank you, na Arya. Let's go. Greetings, guys. Yeah, greetings. I think it's just there. Arya, can you cling? Can you cling? There, Arya. There. Greetings, yeah. Shh. Wear a shoe, yeah. Salah. Oh, your lips is so dry. Yeah. Hi! Hello, Mayari! Hi! Happy New Year! Come! Kuya? Wait, light. Say hello, guys! Your shoes are here outside, yeah?
Yeah, just here.
Say hello! Why? Go. Yay! Ito na yung ating Mexican. Wow! Ganda ng table setup natin, guys. The best! Wow! Meron pa tayong snacks. Oh, anong tawag to? Anong tawag to? Dazzling. May tawag to eh.
Tapa, ano? Cheese platter?
Oh, cheese platter. Yan.
Tapa platter.
Cool!
Kan ito sa mga ihaw.
Table setup is ready, guys. Ito na yung ating Mexican food with a combo collaboration of French. French ba to?
Spanish.
Spanish ba to? Spanish? Yung
Mexican.
plate?
Spanish.
Ah, okay. Platter. Platter ba to? Plate. Mexican and Spanish combination. Ayan. It's all for kids. Thank you so much for the setup, Miss Vanessa Sidaya.
Was it good as?
Asa kayo nyo nga dapat? Nalimutan ko. Later. Biliran. Of Biliran. Nice, Arya. Look. That's a lot. Yeah, genau. Drayungsda. Let's pray, guys. Amen. Okay. Guten Appetit. Eee, why? Done? You want more? So look at this, guys. Go. Want more? Arya did, guys. So this is Arya. So cute. So nakalimutan ko pala, guys. This is not really taco kasi yung taco pula tayo. This is what is this, Kuya? What did you say? Kuya. What is it? Burrito. Burrito daw pala. Burrito ko. Ah, cute!
Like Cheetos.
Knees, head, shoulders, knees, head, head, shoulders, knees, cup. Okay. Shoulders, knees, head, shoulders, knees, shoulders, head, shoulders, knees, cup. shoulders, knees, head, shoulders, knees, cup. Oh! Mayari! Okay. Our next game. There's a loser and there's a winner, okay? Mayari get €2. Something red. Something red. No, that's orange. Mayari got red, okay? So Mayari got €4 now. Manda, ayaw pala kasubutan. Longest something. Wait, careful!
Cookman. It's okay, it's okay.
Okay. Who can bring me the longest from your body, from your iga, Ibas? Longest. Where's the longest?
Longest thing.
Who's and you? Who's One,
Three.
4, 5. Okay. You? 1, 2, 3, 4. Aba, addition. Oh, that's the longest. Okay. So we win €2.
Ich putze und du?
Okay.
Und du?
Und du?
Ich winke. Und du? Und du?
Schnell aber. Just, yes. 4.
I'm dancing.
Oh, dancing.
Und du?
Und du?
Ich sag Tschüss und du?
Oh!
5, 4,
Saga, oh!
3. You won.
So.
Okay, sag.
Okay, ich würfel und du? Ich würfel.
Würfel.
So.
Ah, Würfel. Okay.
Ich würfel und du?
Ich klopfe und du?
Oh.
Ja?
Okay, go.
Ich rudel. So, also.
Ja, ich wurde. Und du?
Und du?
Und du?
5,
5, 4,
4.
3. Ich staubsauge.
Ja. Und du?
Achso, und du?
Und du?
Ich rühre.
Rühre.
Rühre. Und du?
Ah, okay.
5,
Mama.
4.
You ready? Happy New Year, yeah? 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy New Year!
Woo!
Yay!
860 for Arya.
Yeah!
Happy New Year.
Oh,
Take it.
993.
Happy New Year.
770. Oh, you're so right now. 770. Ready?
Happy New Year.
Mein Cheat Code, der muss retten.
Whoa! 1220. 1220. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy New
Yeah, wow! I can launch you, baby. Dance, aga! Dance, boys!
you now. See you tomorrow like the night go. Was war das? Was war das? Steffen.
Kuya.
Okay, go. Inside out. Go. Kuya, lose. You lose. You lose. Hey now, we gotta say now. Hey now. Nata, ay tipoy. Ah! Okay, bro. Uwian na kami. Thank you so much, Vanessa and family.
Thank you.
Thank you. And ang saya namin dito. Kahit ano lang, konting panahon, konting time. Ayan. Uwi na po tayo. Ang saya. Na-enjoy po kami. Oh my God, that's a lot. Careful, Arya.
Mama, get the stuff.
Ah, okay. Wait. So. Oh! We are home na po. At pagdating natin dito sa bahay, nagluto tayo agad ng noodles. Yalangga with egg. Ayan.
Mama, I don't want noodles. I want
What? Mas gusto? Hot flash? Okay, no problem. No problem, okay?
hot rice with the rice.
Hot flash with rice, no problem. Nagutom ulit ang mga bata. Kaya kakain sila ng noodles. Naalala ko tuloy yung papa ko. Ganito pinapakain sa amin. Noodles na may egg. Yun lang. Minsan walang bigas. Wala kaming may bugas ba? May kaunon. Mawala na yung pakaon ni papa sa amin before. Kasi yung mama ko nagtrabaho sa may bundok. Kasi yung mama ko teacher. Kakapasok lang ng pagiging teacher niya. Eh, na-assign siya sa may kabundukan, yung mama ko. Nagbabiyahe pa yan siya. Weekend lang siya umuwi. Every week lang. Minsan, hindi siya umuwi. Kami nilang pumunta ni Papa doon. Si Papa yung nag-alaga sa amin, kaya close ako sa Papa ko, makapapa ako. Kasi yung mama ko, palaging, school, tapos, eskwela dati, tapos, trabaho. Yung Papa ko na lang palagi nasa amin. Yan. Kaya naalala ko na, kaya every time na magluluto ko ng noodles na may itlog, maalala ko talaga yung papa ko. Kasi ganito talaga yung